So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched trending meme coin here. Within just 48 hours of its launching, this meme coin is more than 580% pump here. Many major central exchanges has already list this coin, and because this is BNB chain meme coin, so is it possible that this meme coin can be listed on Binance exchange soon or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just watch the complete video here. And friends, if you not joined my Telegram channel yet, I will provide you my Telegram channel link in description. You can join my Telegram channel for latest more crypto updates, more newly launched base meme coins update on my Telegram channel. So link in description. You can join Telegram channel also. So friends, this is the meme coin. Its name is Mubarak. Okay, you can see Mubarak is name $0.19 current price pump by 87% last 24 hour. But friends, like see Spark Cap is more than $200 million here. Right now, entire crypto market is again jumping here, but this meme coin is continuously pumping here, and Spark Cap is right now more than $200 million here. This is amazing. $427 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is also amazing, friends. And total supply, max supply will be just 1 billion coin in circulation. Is load update here. But friends, like see BNB chain meme coin. So that's why this meme coin is very amazing, because before this meme coin there was another meme coin few months ago. Its name was Komainu, and Komainu was listed in Binance futures also. So it's also possible that this meme coin, this BNB chain meme coin, can be the next listing for Binance also. 40 minutes ago, this meme coin back is all-time high, $0.21, where from we are 9% down here, 580% up than this all-time low. There was just 1 day ago, 0.02 a dollar coin has already killed 1 0. So this is no doubt, friends, amazing performance from this meme coin. You can see Gadget.io, BitGet, KuCoin, MEXC, Arbit, Albank, many major central exchanges has already listed this coin within just 48 hours of its launching. Already huge exchange listing for this coin. So this is no doubt very amazing. Okay, you can see friends, more than 20 central exchanges has already listed this coin. And friends, like see on their website, they have also posted about this coin that CZ Binance has tweeted about this meme coin. Okay, you can see Mubarak CZ after is tweet this meme coin is launched here. So that's why this meme coin has massive hype in crypto market, and that's why many major central exchanges is list this coin within just 48 hours of its launching. This meme coin is right now listed on many major central exchanges. And friends, because CZ has tweeted about this meme coin, so that's why this meme coin is trending everywhere and continuously pumping it. You can see 19,400 holders for this meme coin, so this is good. And very new meme coin and 19,000 holders. This is amazing, friends. Bitget is the highest holder of this coin, 8.9% supply. Okay, on Bitget exchange, MEXC holding 1.7% of supply. Gauge.io, KuCoin exchange, so mostly satellite exchanges and some other wallets are holding this coin. Okay, so these are the top 100 wallets, friends. Okay, you can check out all wallets here. Okay, so these are the top 100 wallets, they are holding Mubarak coin. And friends, I think definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next big crypto also, because in BNB ecosystem we have very few meme coins. Okay, very few meme coins in BNB ecosystem. Meme coin just like Komainu, Baby Dogecoin, Floki. So this meme coin has potential to be the next big crypto also. And because CZ has already posted about this meme coin, so that's why this meme coin has very amazing hype. And more than $200 million market already, and more than 15 to 20 cent like exchange listing already for this coin. So definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. I'm not saying that this meme coin will go 1000x or 10,000x, but definitely as this meme coin has massive hype right now, so in coming few months, definitely this meme coin can do something amazing. And because it's BNB chain meme coin, so Binance listing is also possible. I'm not 100% sure, but it's definitely, friends, possible that we can see its listing on Binance too. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? Are you holding this or not? You can must comment down below.